Okay, student, we continue our next Sant, Sant Tukaram. Two great sons, Tukaram and Ramdas, lived in Shivaji's times. Means which sons were alive at the time of Shivaji? So here is answer. Sant Tukaram and Sant Ramdas, who gave contribution for the establishment of Swaraj. स्वराज्य की स्थापना के लिए उन्होंने क्या की है? मदद की है. और वो कौन से संत थे? जब शिवाजी थे तो आंसर है संत तुकाराम एंड संत रामदास. Tukaram came from Dehu near Pune. Means here is the name of his village. He owned a farm. Means he was farmer, and also grocery shop. Means he was farmer as well as had grocery shop. His forefathers used to lend money to the needy people. Means his ancestor gave money, lend money to the poor people, needy people. यानी जो भी नीडी पीपल है, गरीब लोग हैं, उनको वो उधार देते थे, पैसे उधार देते थे. Tukaram drowned in the river Indrayani all the records of the loan paper he had, thus giving relief to the many. तुकाराम ने क्या किया है? सारे जो पेपर है जो उधार पैसे देते वक्त बनाए गए थे, वो सारे पेपर इंद्रायणी नदी में फेंक दिए हैं. He would go to the neighboring hill and sing songs in the praise of God Vittal. Means he always went to the hill and sing song in the praise of God Vittal, and he sang that devotional. On the 11th day, Ekadashi of the month of Ashad and Kartik. Ashad and Kartik, these are the month, Marathi month. And on the day of Ekadashi, he would go to the Pandharpur. He wrote devotional song, Abhanga, and performed Kirtan. Means he also wrote Abhangas and also performed Kirtan. Kirtan means we have seen that through that there is story and as well as song also. Through that people learn to become devotee of God, and they forgot their day-to-day life and became happy. Thousands flocked to listen him. So many people they ran to listen him. और उनको वो सुनने के लिए बहुत दूर दूर से लोग आते थे. शिवाजी महाराज also attended his कीर्तन्स. शिवाजी महाराज ने भी वो कीर्तन अटेंड किया था, सुना था. संत तुकाराम preached to the people about the virtues of pity, forgiveness and peace of mind. संत तुकाराम also taught to the people pity. उन्होंने लोगों को दया, क्षमा एंड शांति, मन की शांति ऐसे सिखाया था. He also gave them message of equality. He also taught equality. He alone is a son, and God dwells with him who calls the weak and the downtrodden on his as his own. So he also taught to the people equality, humanity. He impressed this truth on the mind of the people. He made them think. Means he also made them think to the people of equality and humanity. People accepted him as a great religious leader and showered their praise on him. Means they also accepted him as a leader. Even today, all over Maharashtra, we hear people proclaiming Gyanba Tukaram, the name of the two great sons. Sant Jnaneshwar. Gyanba means Sant Jnaneshwar, and Tukaram means this Sant. Sant Jnaneshwar is called Gyanba. Also, even today, Tukaram Gatha is read in every household. Means today also people read this Tukaram Gatha, and people also proclaim or say that Gyanba Tukaram. So this is the explanation of Sant Tukaram, who taught that pity, forgiveness and peace of mind as well as equality and humanity, and people also accepted him as a great leader. He also gave contribution for the establishment of Swaraj.